Countless of people are dealing with tooth enamel demineralization, which if not treated properly, it can become a serious problem. Tooth enamel can form due to diet's low in nutrients or because of the acids in the mouth. The process of demineralization begins at the crystal surface found inside the hard tooth tissue, and may progress into cavitation unless it's treated properly. Luckily, you can remineralize and regrow tooth enamel on your own at the comfort of your home. For starters, you should avoid or drastically reduce aliments like sodas and soft drinks, processed foods, hydrogenated oils and margarine, candies, coffee, pasteurized milk, artificial sweeteners and bread and cereals. Then, you can follow a few simple steps on a daily basis, like 1. Rinse your mouth with coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great moisturizer and will encourage saliva production while also eliminating toxic dental bacteria. 2. Raise your vitamin D intake through foods like egg yolks, fermented cod liver oil, pure krill oil, salmon and other fatty fishes, because it balances the ratio of calcium and phosphorus, thus supporting mineralization. 3. Also eat foods rich with vitamin K2 and vitamin C, like citrus fruits, chicken and broccoli. 4. Avoid salt as much as you can. If you want to use salt, use Himalayan salt. 5. Eat strawberries. 6. Eat pickles because they are rich in probiotics and they are excellent for balancing the populations of beneficial bacteria in the mouth. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thank you.